need purple color chart, purple color heated sheet, purple color heated sheet, circles are jet, purple color ribbon, pencil, scale, rubber, scissor, gum. Last, take a purple color chart. Take a ruler and pencil. Mark 22 centimeter. Mark 18 centimeter. Cut it. Cut another one in same measurement. Now fold is like a cylinder. Now paste it. Now make another one cylinder. Using this, cylinders are ready. Cut a purple color chart like A4 Now take ruler and pencil. Mark 8 centimeter. Now cut it in the half like that. Make this one to cylinder shape. Cylinder shape is ready. Fold the paper like that. Draw one straight line. Another straight line. Draw CP line. Now cut this. Cut like this. Paste this on the top of the cylinder. Paste like this. Now take a purple color chart. Draw a circle shape. Draw another one circle shape like this. Cut it. Circle shape is ready. Circle shape after circle. Cut this corner to center. Cut like that. Make like this. Now paste it. And circle shape like this. Paste it. It's ready. Now take a little sheet. Turn it. Cut the sheet into T squares. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now turn it. Now draw like that. Cut it like this. Cut and square to square like this. Now it's ready. Now paste it into cylinders. Paste like this. Now paste it on a cylinder. Now take a thin piece of ribbon. Paste the bottom of the cylinder. Paste the ribbon like that. Paste 3 cylinders. Now the castle is ready. Happy Papa Day. Thank you, ma'am.